Boom, boom. So this is the post endpoints, and we will be also checking our endpoints using Postman. Postman. So let's uh, set up. Meanwhile, Joshua is setting up the stream on the YouTube platform. Meanwhile, we can create some folders for our project. Let's name it with what? And we need to start our Docker as well. So let me wait, start. So shall I start? So yeah. So good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So we are live now. Yeah, in this today's session, we are integrating our WordPress inside our React application from absolute scratch. So yeah, I'll guide you through very basics of how to use your WordPress containerized version of the WordPress, and instead of downloading the entire WordPress and into your local system, we can do the very shortcut method. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. Boom, boom. So yeah, for that, let's create one folder client, which will later on, which will contain React, entirely React, and another folder called server, which will be our backend, which in which we will create blog post and stuff like that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go and let's inside the server folder. You need to create one file first of all. So before that, let's create our open our Docker. So let's wait for it. Our Docker is running now. We are inside the WordPress React folder, and we need to get inside the server folder. So let's get inside the server folder. Now we need to create one file called Docker Compose. Docker COMPOSE Docker Compose dot YAML file. Compose.yaml file. We created our Docker compose.yaml file inside our server folder. So yeah, now we need to add the version 3 services, and you need to follow along with me. So yeah, this is YAML file, so be careful for the indentation. So yeah, this will be our database. Database, and we need UV image. We are MySQL. Let's do 5.5.7. Yeah, and we need volumes and environment. Restart. We need to restart always, and we need environment. Environment will be hit a tab. MySQL. Password root and MySQL. Database DB and MySQL underscore user user, or instead of root password, let's name it password for now. And inside the MySQL database, let's simply write word pr press, and MySQL user will be also WordPress and MySQL password, and let's keep our port. Let's remove this for a while. We don't need this. We need networks also. We tab to be site and need to so PHP my admin. PHP my admin. We need to be that. Let's search for PHP my admin. Undercode PHP my admin. PMA host TV host 8080 TV image services PHP admin. Let's copy this. Let's copy the entire stuff. We don't need arbitrary environment up to your ports. Copy this and paste it. And be careful with the indentation. Image PHP my admin plus my admin PHP my admin. Restart always and ports. Let's keep at the 80. Let's keep the unique name, unique port 1990. And what is missing? Um, we need to write the deep paints. Where is that? Deep paints. EV. PHP my admin restart always. This one is perfect. Restart always. Port 90. This, and we need to classify our environment. Environment. DV PMA host DV port PMA 3306. I don't think we need this PMA host, and we don't need this user as well. But we need this PMA password uh, instead of PMA password. We need MySQL root password. MySQL root password. Copy, paste, and what? Let's keep copy this, paste it, and after that we need our WordPress environment, WordPress images. Let's comment it for now. uh, WordPress, this is WordPress. We have WRD PRESS, and same as this, copy this, paste this. We need to indent it. Let's indent it. Depends on DV. Perfect. Image, not PHP my admin, but we have WRD PRESS. We need the latest version of the WordPress, LATEST. or you can specify your version number as well. Restart always. We have this ports. Let's not use this port. Let's put 8,000 and the top also we need to give comma. And now what else? We have image. We restart always environment. We need to fix our environment. For environment, we need to put word press. Uh, let's search for it. Go to the word press. WordPress official image. Go down. WordPress. We need DB host. In WordPress DB host. DB host, and we need DB user. Replace it. And what else do we need? We need DB password. Copy this. DB password. DB user is WordPress. Copy. DB user is WordPress, and DB password. DB MySQL password. Let's not WordPress. WordPress. And now, what else do we need? We need networks as well. Let's go to the networks. That we have WP site. And what else do we need? Depends on. We need volumes too. So for that, there volumes. Let's search for it. Search for it. Volumes. Simply copy this. Not this. Copy WordPress volumes. Copy this and simply dot slash paste it. This inside this. Got this. Paste it and www.html, and this is done. Restart always depends on TV. WordPress is equals to latest. Environment is equals to. And we need to specify some stuff. 5000 db for. What did I miss? What did I miss? db db. Did I miss anything? Let me check. I hope not. We are 3306. Yeah. Host TV 3306 and WordPress TV host, WordPress TV user, on network WP site and networks would be WP site and volumes. What else do we need? This site. DV database. This is done. This is done. Mm, DV image MySQL 5.7. Yeah, okay. Volumes. This is blah blah blah. And restart always. Environment. We have MySQL root password is equals to password. MySQL database is equals to WordPress. MySQL user is equals to WordPress, and MySQL password is WordPress. Now networks, WP side. We have in the PHP section. PHP admin depends on the DB. Image equals to PHP admin. PHP admin. We have search here and restart always ports. Let's keep a unique port, which is not currently which. So give this a unique port, or else it might be collided and you might face some issues. And PMA host, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Yeah, passport networks, and I think we forgot to provide the networks. Uh, Copy this, copy, pasta. This side is perfectly fine. This, it is fine, it is fine. Networks, and what else? We have WordPress, depends on DB, and WordPress we have latest version. Rest it's always, and volumes we have this environment DB3306 DB306 where is this one DB3306 and networks blah 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 blah. So yeah, I think we are done. If indentation is perfect, then yeah. So yeah, to start it, we need to simply type docker compose up and detach. Hope it will work because it didn't work. Why didn't it work? Compose YAML parsing of block mapping in Docker YAML line 32, 32, 32, 32. WordPress depends on uh, line number 32 depends on DV. What else? Depends on DV. Depends on DV. There was an indentation issue and shift tab is this. And yeah, I think it will work now. Or is there any issue? Any other issue? Docker compose of detach head. And again, there was an issue. Is invalid because unserved config my admin. Service DB PHP my admin. Service DB PHP my admin. PMA host service DB PHP my admin. PHP my admin. It's perfectly fine. We start. Oops. This one. This one. We are live. Yes, we are. Um, what is an issue here? Is we have indentation issue somewhere. We have an image. This image volume is perfect fine. Perfect. PHP my admin. Depends on URL. TV. And image depends on image restart ports and environment. It's fine. It's fine. WordPress from WordPress depends on image restart ports. It is perfectly fine. Network stability side. What is the issue here now? Let me fix it. Less DOCKER CUMPOSE up and let's detach it. Option for service to be PHP management. Mm-mm. So what is the issue here? Services. Let's remove this. Wait. It's TV and it should be here. There was an indentation issue. So shift tab. Hope it works now. Hope it works. And this might win. And let's fix the shift tab. Yeah. Docker compose off detach. Yep, it is working now. Yeah, PHP done, you done. Let's check our server is running. Because on server to config PHP admin. We did this server website down, test one. Now let's go to our localhost, and what port we define 8000. Go to the 8000. It is not working. I think it is running, so let's wait for 5 minutes. Mm-mm-mm. Are we live? Yes, we are. Is there any questions? Very fast. Yep. It is still running. It is running. Go to the localhost. Let's refresh it again. Open our Docker. It is still running, and our WordPress is installed. Boom, boom. So now, select your language. Let's say, let's say, go to English UK. Continue. And now, correct PHP, my admin is running at port 1990. Now WordPress is running at port 8000. That's it. Let's continue. Our server is running. It is running. It shouldn't take that much amount of time, but it's let's wait for it. Meanwhile, we can browse the REST API section. Where is our endpoint reference? This is our endpoint reference. So to fetch the post, we Need to specify this endpoint. So let's wait. Why is it taking so long? Continue. Ready for startup. So this opacity for yeah, it is working. Now let's give a site name. Let's give uh, not Ghost. Yeah, WordPress. This is WordPress. Let's give a simple name called Aviyel demo. Aviyel WordPress and give a username to prompt and let's suggest some strong password. This is perfectly fine. Give a prompt at and yeah, let's copy it for now. So WordPress, hit this, and you are done. Why is it saying update password? Okay, update password. Login. Now we need to log in to our WordPress. Now go to your Postman. Simply HTTP // localhost host. What specify our port. Before that, before we do anything, this is entirely on our server folder. Now head over to your client folder. cd // client, and we need to npx create react app app. Boom. And let's wait for a minute. Now it will take some time to install our React application. Meanwhile, we can fix some or test some API. Um, let's search for WordPress API endpoint. Localhost, we have 8000 port. 8000 port will be JSON. Let's search for the GET request. Put the input reference. Go to the post. Copy this. Check our post. Why didn't it work? WP WP2. Example.com/wp.json wp/post. Copy this, paste it. Of example, we local host colon 8000 port. Do not get the response. Why is that? Got this. Why did it? Hey, yeah, we need to fix one. Go to your dashboard, go to the setting, go to the permalinks, and click on the this one, post name, and save changes. And after that, go to your postman, send the get request bar. Let's again do that and save the changes. And which is wrong version number. Let's go to our main server and let's stop our server and let's restart it. Let's stop it and let's start it. Localhost 8000. Let's check it again. Yes, it is 8000. Server is running on the. Let's start it. If we refresh it, it should it should work now. It should work now. Meanwhile, let's go to our React application. It is perfectly okay. Want to close this postman, open our postman again. I hope it works. Docker close this, open our postman. Docker is running. Our localhost 8000 is running. It is perfectly fine. So now a postman is taken. We are live. Yeah, we are live. We are live. We are live. Where was I? Where was I? Inside the Docker environment. Let's again refresh it with it to check it is working or not. And why the postman is taking too long. Yeah, from tomorrow I think I'll be using white because it's taking too long time. So open your postman. This is your postman. Let's send the post and again it throws an error. Why is that so? Or 90,000. Exit it. We need to start our server. It is running. It is running. check out Docker package, Docker compose.yaml, 1998,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. It is fine. Ports 8,000 volumes is equals to 136. Environment WordPress TV. Registration is website. Yep. Restart always. WordPress. This and this is fine. This is fine. WordPress is fine. Passport. Yep. I don't see any issues here. Client is installed. Now we need to fix our next thing. Oh, HTTPS. Oh shit, it's HTTP. So yeah, it is perfectly working. I'll paste it, not paste, and we don't need HTTPS. We don't need HTTPS. It's HTTP localhost 8000 wjson wp, and this is our endpoint. We can create the proxy inside the package.json, but no, we won't be creating that. Let's close this. Let's close this. Now we need to fix everything. We need to do tons of stuff. So I'll be doing very fast. So yeah, go to source. We we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. To do this, we have app.js. We don't need this. Boom boom. Keep it inside the React fragment for now. We have to create tons of stuff. So React dot fragments. Copy this and paste this and close this inside React fragments. And we need to, we don't need this. We don't need to send any web vitals report and CSS. Let's eat out this code and go to our let's error establishing why. Yeah, it is working. And let's go to our Google font. Let's implement our font very quickly, very quickly. And yeah, where is our poppins? Select the poppins and select this, select this, select this, select this, and let's select some randomly. Okay, yeah. Import it. Let's copy this and go to our CSS, paste it. We need to provide the font family as well. Copy this. Font family done. This done app.css. We need some packages. If you've missed our yesterday's event, so yeah, you'll get the there will be recorded. This session is recorded, so you might browse it later on. Now npm I we need x use. X will specify here. It might take some time now. Meanwhile, we can create one folder called components, and inside our component, let's create one component, home component, and create one folder called block component, a block. And inside the block, let's create index.js, and inside the block, let's create block.js, and inside the home, let's create home.js. Inside home again, create index.js. And why are we segregating inside this folder? Because we can because it looks awesome. And yeah, it's the perfect formatting, let's say. Block.css, we can add this, and go to your index.js, import home, or is it home? Import home from your home and export default home. That's it, you are done. Go to your home, and inside your home simply type rfce. You are perfectly you'll get the boilerplate and type react dot fragments. Copy this and inside this close this react fragment. That's it, you are done with the home component. Now go to the block component, type rfcaur. Go to the and type react fragment. Copy this, paste it, close the fragment, and go to the index.js, import log /blog, and export export default log. That's it, you're done. What else do we need? Boom boom boom, it is install npm I react router react router dom. You need two packages. Now let's wait for it to get installed. Uh, what just happened? React fragment clear clear it npm star and go to your app.js. We need to fix some. We don't need this. This is fragment, not fragments. Or is it fragments? React fragments. React fragment. Yes, it is React fragment. And go to the index, it is fine. Go to the blog, we have perfectly fine. Go to the home, it is perfectly fine. Now we have set up our project finally, and let's import. I don't know why my react, it's react 17, right? We don't need to import it, but I think yesterday I installed node 14, so I think it's that easy, because ghost cms is not supported on React 15. I could have used the NVM, but still I did that. So yeah, this everything is perfectly fine. What else do we need? We have inputted this, and now let's do the. I think what else do we need? Let's check our React application whether it is working or not. It is working. Go to the app component. Let's actually do there. It is working. Now very quickly we need to fix tons of stuff. So go to the index.js. Let's import it. Import browser router as router from React router with Tom, and wrap this uh, entire app component with router, not like this. Wrap it up. router. Like that. Yeah, what is this now? Router. It's not here. It's here. Yep, router. It is done. Am I missing something? Index.css. We have index.css, app.css. For now, let's copy this, paste it inside the home, and app. We need to find the app and replace it with home. Simple as that. Replace all, boom, boom, and copy this. Go to the blog.css, Control V, Control F, search for the okay, home, and replace it with, let's say, blog. Ding ding. It is done. We have our brand new CSS. We don't need to rotate stuff. We don't need animation stuff. We simply need a CSS, a working CSS, because we are not making a fully fledged block site. We are just integrating it. So let's do that. Let's remove this. Yep, done this. Dang. The app. I think we have successfully uh, completed the index.js section. I hope so. Now, yeah, go to the app. We need to fix few things. We don't need. Let's leave it as it is. We need to import our home component from dot slash component slash home, and we need import our block from slash component slash block, and we need to import switch switch comma route. We need route as well, uh, from React router down. It is fine. Copy this and paste it and copy it, paste it. We don't need this app for now. Let's remove this. Let's add a route, and path will be default path, uh, home path, and this will be exact position component home. And let's create another route, blog dot slash blog component equals to blog. Yep, done and done. We fixed our, I guess, yep, everything we did. I hope so. We did. We switched. Yes, we inputted switch and route. It is perfectly fine. Now let's go to our home component. We have home from dot slash. Inside here, we need, let's say, let's put, we can redirect you to another post as well. We can do that if we got time for that. So let's react router from is working. Yeah, and we are inside the home. So div classes class name is equals to this is home, and yeah, why is this? We don't need this fragment. Let's not inside the huh? Hey, close this, and just like yesterday, we created header class name equals to, let's give our home HTML, not capital I guess. Home addresses, get home, the name, and where is our blog? Not blog. Home, home header. Not either. HEADER header. That our header tag. Uh, I think let's add welcome to React app, not React app. Integrating WordPress with React. Yep, it is Fine. Inside our header, let's link from link, yeah, let's just class name, class name of home link. Go to our CSS, go to the home link. Let's change the color of this link to at least this one, and let's provide text decoration for this one, and let's give a font size of around 20 pixel, 40 pixel, or 40 pixel. So what else am I missing? Yeah, inside our home link, and let's redirect to our blog path, and um, go to blog. Click to view the full hat full blog. Yeah. We completed our home section, and I think there is plural, so we need to rename this to blog only. So yes, blog. It is fine. What what we have home component to we have to go to the blog. I guess let's fix the blog component now. Go to the home, copy, pasta. Just like yesterday, we need to first we need use state hooks, uh, use state hook, and we need use effect hooks. We have done that. Let's create another component as well, very fast, called post, and inside this we create post.js, and inside this we have index.js, and it create post.css, and go to our app.js. uh, what what we need to copy pasta. This is post component, copy pasta, and inside this blog slash post and slash id. Yep. I go to the post index, import post from dot slash post, and import default post. Done. Go to the post, type RAFCA. We have successfully created the component. Now let's leave it as it is. Go to the home. We need to fix some stuff here. We imported the now we need to import the Axios package from Axios, and we need to create the state for this. Let's call is blog info like yesterday. Let's keep a name login, set login. This will all be the data. Let's use state and empty array. This will be perfectly fine, and you create use effect hooks, and and pass what, and you pass the empty dependency, and here you need to create fetch every stuff. Let's say fetch every stuff, and this is login. This is fine. This is fine. Fetch every stuff. We need to asynchronously async, and We need to try it, and we need to catch if there isn't something error. Catch error, console.log error. This, and inside our try, we need to constant trace. It's equals to await.exist, not this. Await axios.get, and we need to go to our postman, copy this, and paste it, not inside this. Yep. WP post, or you can use the proxy as well. You can code this, and you can go to your package.json and create inside here, create proxy and paste it. What? Paste it here, paste it here, and where is that? What? Where's my blog? Yeah. So now you don't have to specify everything. Now I will use this because we are simply creating, we are simply fetching one block, so it doesn't matter. If you are working with various API endpoints, then you can create a proxy for that. Now, what else do we need? Yeah, we need to set our blog, uh, set up blog, restore data. Now it is fine. Fine. Now go to the class name. Class name is equals to, let's give a class name of what we gave. This is, I think, blog. So let's give a blog, and previously header class name is equals to blog, I guess. Yeah, blog slash small header. I hope so. And inside our header, we need to do various stuff. Let's give blog, and uh, just list bloggy.map blog, and we can do this, or we can return it as well. Bloggy one. Is it throwing some error here? Need to fix it. Bloggy.map. Wait. I forgot to close one bracket. And yeah, like blog ID and link blog title.render. Let's link class name. I think shall we provide the link? So I think blog link. Capital. Let's go to the blog CSS, blog link, and then we'll go to your index.css for now. Index.css, no, app.css, not app.css, I guess, home.css, and copy this, go to your post, not post.css, but where is our blog.css, paste it, unit blog link, yep, and where are you now? Where are you? Yeah, the link class name blog link. We need to blog.id, and let's add inside the h1. This is h2. Okay, h2 inside our h2. Now we need to play with the API. So we have title, title dot we are mapping this, so it's inside the array title dot rendered. So for that we need to log dot title dot rendered. I hope I'm not wrong. Good. Let's close this link align k, and we need to close this OL as well. Yes, it is closed. Why is it throwing some error then? Why is it throwing error? Mm, OL. What if we return it and bloggy OL? React fragment is fine. Oh yeah, there's some error here. We need. Did we close this? We close this. We close this bracket. We close this S2. We close this link, and we didn't close the li. Yep. So yeah, that was the issue. Let's close the li. Yeah, it is working. Fetch every stuff. We need to fetch every stuff, and we need to fire that function. Warning: post is defined but never used. Where is that post stuff? Inside the app. Yeah, okay. What is this? Not. Let's go to our React application. Control refresh integrating WordPress with React, and click here to see the view blog. Yep, it is working. Our blog. We are able to fetch the hello world. Where is our blog now? No. Uh, localhost 8000, I guess. Slash wp admin, not permalink. Let's go to the post. Let's see. All post. We have only one post. Add new post. Add new post. Let's go to the Aviyel platform and copy some blog. Uh, okay then. Go to the Aviyel. Let's copy one philosophy. Okay then. What is the philosophy of blockchain? Copy this and inside this and copy everything, paste everything, and publish it. Publish it. Are we able to add the image too? We can add the image too. Where is the image? Image. Yep. What was I searching? I was about to post this. View the post. Let's refresh it. And this would be two posts. What is the philosophy of blockchain and hello world? And yeah, we have successfully integrated it. Now let's forward it to the next next post. We need to specifically fetch each individual post. For that, let's simply console log it. We don't have to specify everything. We were able to successfully integrate the WordPress inside our React. Now, simple styling needs to be done. I forgot to do one thing. Now go to the home. I think I forgot to import the CSS. Import dot slash home dot CSS and go to your blog. Import import dot slash blog dot css. Import blog dot css and go to the post as well and import a post. Let's delete out this. We don't need this for now. Philosophy of talk G, this, and we need to go back to yeah. Let's go to the index, not index, this index, but the home.js. Copy this. Mm, go to the blog and outside the div, let's add one link as well. Wait, not there. Not here to inside the header. But wait, it doesn't make any sense. For that, we need to fix it. So create a class name called uh, tiny deck. Just random is this. See post, not post, blog.js, not blog.js, blog.css. Select this class, copy this, and let's copy everything. Let's copy and paste everything. We need to fix one thing also. Cursor is pointer, and here cursor is equals to pointer as well. Let's give this about 20 pixel. What's happened? Refresh it. And let's say where is our blog, where is our blog? Yeah, there is our blog, not blog. We need to go to the home. Let's say go back and not got back. So go back with the full blog and it is fetching. I think we don't need this well because it's too ugly. Li, we have li. Go back, click to view the full blog. Now ASAP, let's fix the post issues. Post. We are inside the post. Copy entire blog, copy and paste it. We don't need blog, we need post. And inside blogs, we need capital post. And what else do we need? You state this is perfect, and this is perfect. Now we need to fix one stuff, one tiny bit, tiny tipsy, tiny stuff. We need to fix ID and let's add inside the template literals or template string. Your ID post slash ID And we don't need blogging. It's fine. Not blog. Control F. Blog. We need to fix this. Instead of blog, let's add post. Copy this. Copy pasta and copy pasta. Where is bloggy in tiny? Go back. Yeah, it's fine. Now we can console log it, but let's check it first whether it is working or not. It's not working. Why? Did we make some mistake here? Blog.css. No, can't find not blog.css. We have post.css. ID is not defined. Of course, ID is not defined because we need get it? Import link and use params. In previous node session, we discussed about requested params.id. So yeah, it's use params is and hooks. Simple as that. From React router DOM. Now destructure our ID. Constant ID is equals to use params hook. Yep. And now it is throwing some error here. What is the error? Of link. We have link. Why? Link linky a what never used. Now refresh it and it should work. So we after clicking this, it should redirect it, but it is not redirecting it. Why is that so? Why is that so? Let's go to the console. Inspect. Let's go to the console. Let's click it. It is not working. Why is it not working? Go to the blog. It is inside the link blog ID h2 blog title as rendered slash blog slash ID. Yep. I think it is post slash ID. Blog slash post slash ID. Go back, click to view the full blog. What is the philosophy of TalkG? What is the philosophy of TalkG? Dot slash blog slash post slash blog ID blog dot title dot rendered. Now we can do a bunch of things as well inside here. Now we can content dot rendered. But that let's inside our blog dot content dot rendered. And we can fetch the content as well. But let's not inside the link. Our link. My life. Yes, I am. Why is my button not working? It's working fine now. So yeah, we need to fix some stuff now. Final stuff. It won't be that long. We have posts, I guess. Not post, it is posts. And we have ID. We provide ID. Blog is statement. This is fine. This is perfectly fine. We are redirecting back to it. No. Let's copy this. Copy this. Go to the post. Copy and paste. Simply this home and go to the not blog to proceed with post. It's all. Close this. Mm, where is our post? There is our post. We are able to fetch, but it is not working. Why? Yeah, it is working. Am I audible? Yes, I am. Is it working? Yes, it is. Now we need to fix the container or a little bit of styling. Let's very little bit of styling. This is post. Post. When post is not working. Uh, we have fetched every stuff. We have fired this. We have fired this. And at least it should show the. Let's close everything. Let's close everything. Also, is running a post is in there, but it's never defined. Yeah, because again, so yeah, let's refresh it. Fetch our own logs. Click it. It's still not working. Why? Dot slash blog slash post slash ID. Refresh it. Go back. Click here. Ding ding. Still not working. Uh, blog. A post in this blog section is perfectly fine. We are fetching everything. And blog header. Instead of blog header, let's add this content. Uh, let's give it class name. Class name is equals to, let's say, blog content or capital blog content. Content. Copy this and go to the blog.css and let's go. Wait. Content is inside the another content. Which which container it is now. Text expression. Reject. So, and CSS. So you now text anything. Copy this. Have paste it. Do this. And it and it version for it. Mm, let's add everything inside a container, I guess. Let's give a class. Class container is uh, slash div. What container is this? Container width of 100 VW and height of 100 h. Yeah, let's not do this CSS stuff. It might take some insane amount of time. Now, let's go ahead. Or let's say 60. It is perfectly fine. Now, let's go to the WordPress. Go back, right? Integrating WordPress. Click here to view the full blog. This is our full blog. Post selection is still an issue. Why is it throwing an ID of 5? Let's send the GET request. Let's check whether it is an SIT 5. It is perfect. But why isn't it going there? Oh, let me fix this. It's already 10:30. It's already 10:30. Let's link, tiny black link. That's glue back. It is fine. It is fine. Not home in the blog section. We need to fix ASAP blog link to dot slash blog slash post slash blog dot id is fine. Are we importing link? Yep, we are. S2 within blog title of rendered. Yes, this is fine. Blog content rendered, and let's do some stuff as well. And let's do it. Fetch it on the blog page as well. You won't be able to fix that because we have very limited amount of time. I think because I renamed it post or plural somewhere, I can't find it. Blogging is assigned, but the value has never been dragged. Missing in the dependency ID. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hmm. we need to enter an ID is updated. So it renders every time the ID is updated. I don't know what the issue is. It is not going to the post page. The question is, why is it not going to the post page? I think there is some issue on the app.js. Go back, click the post, blog is working. Uh, blog.id. We fixed the router issue. This package.json, not package.json, but public index clean out, clean out. Name recently. It's bloggy. Bloggy. Okay. Bloggy. I missed something. I missed something. It was the exact error of yesterday. Post, 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 post. Next, let's open the main file only, app.js. We don't need index. Let's open home is open. Home is open. Let's open this. And now finally app on app. It is blog. It is redirecting to the post component. Import post from /post. It is fine. Export default post. It is fine. Even if this doesn't work, at least so we post. Let's go back to this. This is fine. 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 Refresh it. We are on the blog page. Click this and post/file. Post page. Why we are not shifting on that page? Is it because we need to restart this up? Hope it is not easier. Let's close this. We need this. Aviyel WordPress demo. We need to edit this stuff. We need to edit this post. Like add one image. Where is that image? Yes, add one image, default, upload. Let's add this doc image. How can we add in the top or top, top, top? Yeah, exactly here. And now we need to update it. After that, this is our image inside our content. It's facing the entire content as well, so we need to fix that. Let's not add this for now. Let's remove this. Uh, is it possible to add the featured image? Set featured image select, and now we can add the featured image. Now set feature image and update. And now let's send the post to get request. And where is the image? Let's search for the image, featured image. Where is our image? href slot title rendered, excerpt. Now following the same formula, like illustrated, like I explained, you can simply fetch all the blocks. For now, let's add that feature image. Let's search it where is. And yeah, I'll simply show you how to add the feature image. And yeah, I think I will conclude this live session. But where is that feature image? Our collection. Does it provide any images? WP feature media. This is our. Where is the endpoint? What is the endpoint? GUID rendered. Is it GUID rendered? Media, video media, slash. Why is it saying ID 9? Feature media. And yeah, WP feature media slash GUID. So WP feature media GUID. Let's check it. Go to your this. Simplify blog blog dot WP media feature media I guess feature media WP blog image element refresh it to the console undefined because we don't have feature media. So what is the input? GeoID and blog.gid and media source 9. Mm, let's constant say let's let's I'll do very quickly. Blog image slash blog image uh, equals to use step 0 and yeah use let's copy this entire stuff but paste it with everything and instead of Wikipedia custom made yeah just randomly checking it fetching not the bloggy let's say blog image uh, set blog image without it looking state and I'm just simply checking it let's say blog image blog image blog image dot map we have the image image let's for now console dot log image image is not defined in case okay in case blog image dot map is not a function why is that so why is that so blog image because it is not in array I see okay. Now blog image dot gid console okay now console dot log this this log it log image yep yep so for that img img src equals to log image not map this is not inside array gid dot rendered but blog but it is inside the let's keep it inside the yeah, the world here under the hello world as well so we need to specify the id for it can we keep inside the template name and go to dollar sign id fonts date use backgrounds